Alright, we got these, the trunk is not rusty. It's a rust stain from something that was sitting in there. The dilemma is how to mount these these subs. It's supposed to be down facing. I think I need to just, so it'd be upside down from that right there. I think I just need to mount them right there.
You don't have room.
There's no good way.
Here.
No.
And
there's no good way to get them up there.
Ooh.
And it would steal all my trunk space. I think the thing to do is put them right there.
Then how do you do this? You gotta have some.
Well, you have to run your wires first.
Oh, it's lifted right here. A little bit.
Yeah.
I see that. I didn't notice that.
I don't know, y'all. Give me your 2 cents if you got it. Now I got you where I want you.
In the trunk.
You gotta get your legs in, though.
That's good or bad. This is where you want me.
She said
I'm in trouble.
She said that she would get in there because it'd be easier for her to do it than me.
Yeah, I was considering that.
Because I'm kind of a big boy. Although, if you go to Mrs. Heavy Chevy's channel, I'm not a liar. She has one.
I do.
You can see a video, as well as pictures from when I built this car, and I was in the trunk. And she's got a couple pictures of that in there. So, and you don't have to click like, comment, or anything on her channel. It's not monetized. We don't care. Right, babe?
Right.
That's what her people say.
You got your son saying that. Your people.
Well, you know what they say.
Like father, like son?
Apple don't fall far from the tree. Mm-hmm. Since y'all didn't answer when I asked the question earlier, I decided to put the speakers through the back dash pad. Figured that way the sound would not be impeded by it. Right, babe?
Right.
You know, you got kind of cute feet.
I've been told that.
Who told you that?
Yeah, lots of people.
Lots of people.
I should sell feet pics.
I've heard of people making a living that way. You know, another great song is The Judds, Why Not Me? Are you going to come out of there?
Try
You're pretty agile yet. You ought to see her in the morning, though. She's a little tottery.
Got a hold of you.
What are you doing?
Pulling you around.
Alright, there it is. Kickers on the back dash. Alright, next we got to mount. I ordered some more of this, what you call it stuff. We need to cover the trunk with that and then mount the sub. I think I'm just going to lay it flat on the trunk floor. Make sure I don't drill into my gas tank when I put the screws in. You know, when I did this car, I had it in mind to try to keep it kind of restored-ish looking. You know, with the stickers and the correct trunk paint. But I think I'm over that now. I just want some boom boom. One thing I figured out here lately is it costs a crap load more money to build these cars than it does to drive them. So we've reached a situation here where we got to tighten up the belt a little bit. So we might need to start focusing on driving them a little bit.
Yeah, because that's a whole lot cheaper.
So yeah, unless the YouTube income, well, let's see, it'd have to quadruple at least. Probably we're going to back off on buying stuff. So, there's that. Hey, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and beg me to ring the bell. Leave a comment. Ask me, should Mrs. Heavy Chevy dye her hair platinum blonde again? I say no. I like it just like that.
All natural. Grays are coming through.
Sorry, you put a lot of years around me, you're apt to have a few grays.
Yeah, that's right.
But let me just tell you how many I got. Alright, it's Friday night. No, it ain't. It's Thursday night. I was getting a little over. Well, you know what I mean. Anyway, Mama came out here yesterday and put in almost all of the sound deadener. I gotta finish that side. So I'm gonna do that. And then I've got some of this stuff. I'm gonna try some of that in the floorboard and see if it makes any difference. And then I'm gonna start putting in the seats, the back seat in it at least. I've still gotta assemble the air conditioning unit under the dash. So I got that to do. I don't feel like doing that tonight. I don't think. Well, I haven't gotten very far. I don't have very much of that insulation, but I got it stuck up under the carpet there and there. I used some headliner glue and kind of glued it down. I'm going to go ahead and put the carpet back in it and just lay it there. But I'm going to have to quit on account of I got to work on a Subaru. Alright, it's Saturday. Back from work. Yeah, that sucks. But hey, what are you going to do? When that's your place, it's your place. I've laid under the dash and installed the hard part up there. So that's cheered me up so much I felt like videoing a little bit. I got more parts there, the dash to put in. I got to zip tie all the duct hoses to where they go. Make sure they don't fall off. I think I got all the lights put back in the dash. So it's coming together. Mrs. Heavy Chevy had to take the young man to work. And she's going to stop by a hardware store and pick up something. So she may be back around lunchtime or so. And might help me out then. So I'm going to crawl back under the dash. It's kind of hard to video. And it's raining. I need to get after that Suburban here pretty soon. Make that run. Anyway, I got plenty to do, don't I? Oh, I bought a 65 Ford Galaxy the other day, too. There's something wrong with me. She's watching a video. I told her somebody from Sweden said she was beautiful and he loved her. Now she's got to see for herself. Alright, the interior's going back together. I got the back seat in. The door panel, not door panels, the trim panels, carpet, passenger seat. I got the console and the driver's seat to go. It's quite an endeavor. I got to figure out what I did with the sill plates. What are you doing?
Just watching a video.
Watching a Mr. Heavy Chevy video?
Mm-hmm. Because I don't get enough of you on the regular.
That's a dang truth. And now for the driver's seat. Alright. That back seat's pretty small, ain't it?
No, that ain't too bad. I've been in smaller.
What? Alright. This might be a little butch, but I took part of the Mercedes, from the spare Mercedes trunk pad and cut it up and put it in there. And then I got this sub setting on that. So I think it'll be okay. I think. So the car is all back together. The stereo works. It sounds pretty good. I can't let you listen to it because, well, you know, YouTube don't allow that. So it's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I need to figure out, do I want to dive into something else on this thing? I'm not sure that I do. I don't think I want to open up another can of worms. I think what I better do is put my tools away. We just cut off Leonard Skinner so we could inquire. I'm gonna have her to pump up, put some air in the tires. How much in the rear?
28.
What? In the front?
32.
What? I'm so proud of you. Does the thing have any scent to it or not?
Give me a second. Yes.
All right then. hang
Royal
on.
pine, though, it's not real pretty.
That's all right.
You need, like, black ice.
I like
or-
that, yeah. But anyway, I ain't got one. I got that one.
Okay.
I got the workbench all perfectly cleaned off.
Come on. I wouldn't say.
Anyway, we're gonna test drive this car and it's stereo. Is what we're gonna do. We just can't stand it no more. Hope it runs. I kinda hate to put my feet in there. The carpet's so clean. But you can't drive it unless you put your feet in it.
No, you can't.
You know what I bet? I bet I didn't put the battery cable on. I like the way that thing smells. Come on, baby.
Come on, girl.
Well, that was a successful ride. The stereo works pretty good. I wish I could show you. But you can't. Can't do it. It sounds awesome in there. Hides all the rattles. It's some kind of rattle. This car really needs buffed. Really needs it. But I don't think I got time to do it before the October trip. So I'm not going to get into it and not be able to finish it. So that's the way that's going to be.